Live from WBFF in Baltimore, this is Fox 45 News at 4.
I'm a lawyer, and when there's a dispute, let's just go to court.
City State's Attorney Ivan Bates may take the mayor's office to court to get access to data about juveniles in a diversion program. Thank you for joining us. I'm Kai Jackson.
And I'm Mackenzie Frost. The mayor's office says the information is shielded by state privacy law, but Bates argues his office needs to know what juveniles are involved in the program. The fight over juvenile data might end up in court. Baltimore City State's Attorney Ivan Bates says he's been asking the Mayor's Office of Neighborhood Safety and Engagement, or MONSE, for detailed data about participants of the SideStep program for months.
We were told by Ms. Ronis that we couldn't have that information.
MONSE says Bates reached out to the agency for the first time on May 12th.
What about the victim?
That's when Fox 45 News started reporting on Bates's concerns surrounding victim notification about the pre-arrest diversion program. MONSE says on June 9th it sent Bates and his team this document with general information about cases, but that document did not have specific details.
Then, for whatever reason, the law department from the city, they reached out and said we couldn't have the information. So I went to the mayor myself. We had lunch in the mayor's office, and I asked him for this information. He said he'd get back to me. No one's ever gotten back to me.
According to MONSE, this state statute prevents the agency from sharing juvenile record information with the state's attorney's office.
I think the Constitution would trump that statute. And if we have to go to court and have the understanding of what's going on, or maybe the General Assembly may want to look at this a little deeper, since we're the ones that evidently passed the law, you cannot bypass the prosecutor's office. That is why I was elected, to be the prosecutor for Baltimore City, which means the police put their hands on an individual, they're under arrest.
In a recent Inspector General's report, the city's watchdog found Baltimore police officers reported frustration with the apparent recidivism rates for those participants of SideStep. The report noted that officers had no real sense of what diversions are occurring post-contact, and each officer reported that many of the SideStep participants became engaged in more serious offenses, such as robberies or assaults.
We still need the names of the young people, because why? When we're in front of the judge is looking at my office to give them that material and that information. So therefore, you're not allowing me and my office to do our job, to i.e. at the end of the day, how can we really keep the citizens of Baltimore safe if you're not going to partner with your partner in the criminal justice system?
I reached out to Senate President Bill Ferguson and House Speaker Adrian Jones, asking if they would be interested in adjusting the juvenile justice privacy law during next session. I have yet to hear back.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.